Hey folks, the Insta360 Go Ultra and the Insta360 Go 3S may look like siblings in the same family of tiny action cameras, but under the surface, they are two very different machines. The Go 3S, released just last year, was a breakthrough in the series because it introduced 4K video for the first time. Keeping its signature tiny size and featherlight build, it quickly became one of the most fun and versatile action cameras on the market, especially for creators who wanted to place a camera in spaces that larger models simply could not reach. But now, with the release of the Insta360 Go Ultra, there's a new benchmark in the miniature action camera world, and it's worth exploring whether the upgrades justify an upgrade. The most striking improvement comes from the Go Ultra's new 1/1.28-inch sensor. Compared to the Go 3S's 1/2.3-inch sensor, this is a massive 221% increase in size, and it directly translates into better image quality, especially in challenging lighting. Paired with a new 5nm AI chip, the Go Ultra can push 4K recording to 60 frames per second, while the Go 3S topped out at 30 frames per second. The Ultra also introduces special modes such as Active HDR and Pure Video, designed to elevate dynamic range and low-light performance, though these modes reduce the frame rate to 30 frames per second or lower. Encoding has also moved forward, with the Ultra supporting H.265 for more efficient compression, while the Go 3S is limited to H.264. Still photography also gets a serious boost. The Go Ultra can capture images at up to 8,192 by 6,144 resolution, essentially doubling the Go 3S's 4,000 by 2,250 output. Audio performance improves as well, with upgraded built-in microphones that now support 48 kHz and 32-bit AAC, a clear step up from the Go 3S's 48 kHz and 24-bit AAC. Another big new perk is wireless audio integration. The Go Ultra can connect directly to the new Insta360 Mic Air, while the Go 3S currently has no such compatibility. But these upgrades don't come without trade-offs. The Go Ultra is noticeably larger and heavier than its predecessor, weighing 53 grams compared to the Go 3S's 39 grams. While the difference may sound small, size and weight are critical to a device whose main selling point is its portability and ability to stick almost anywhere. The Go 3S remains the more compact and lighter option, and for some buyers that will matter more than higher resolution or frame rates. Battery performance, however, swings the balance firmly back toward the Ultra. Its standalone camera holds a 500 mAh battery capable of 70 minutes of recording, while the Action Pod boosts that up to 200 minutes thanks to its 1,450 mAh cell. In contrast, the Go 3S's standalone camera battery is just 310 mAh, lasting only 38 minutes, and its Action Pod manages 140 minutes with a 1,270 mAh cell. For extended shooting sessions, the Ultra is far more practical. Storage is another major difference in philosophy. The Go 3S comes with built-in storage only, available in 64 or 128 gigs models, and once it's full, you need to offload. The Go Ultra, meanwhile, supports micro SD cards up to 2 terabytes, a major advantage for travelers and creators who don't want to worry about running out of space mid-shoot. Naturally, these improvements come at a cost. The Insta360 Go Ultra Standard Bundle is priced at $449, while the Creator Bundle is $499. The Go 3S, by comparison, has recently dropped to $319, making it the more budget-friendly option for those who still want 4K but don't necessarily need the latest bells and whistles. In the end, the Go Ultra is clearly the more powerful and capable device. It offers superior video quality, better stills, stronger audio, much longer runtimes, and vastly more flexible storage. But it also sacrifices some of the charm that made the Go 3S special. Its almost unbelievably small and lightweight form factor. For creators who want the absolute best performance and don't mind a little extra bulk, the Go Ultra is an easy recommendation. For those who value portability above all else, the Go 3S still holds its ground as one of the most fun and flexible action cameras available. Thanks for watching. What do you think about this comparison? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.